Hello, welcome to day 21, and the video is a little longer than usual, like double, but don't complain too much because I actually scrunched it down from 29 minutes of media. My coworker Juan took this, and just imagine you're a drop of rain. You fell up at the top of the land, and you think you're going to go down anywhere you feel like it. Well, you're not. You're going to go down this series of trenches, and so Juan showed us where that
Okay,
goes.
I'm
Okay, I'm
taking
going to shut up
this
here.
with my cell phone. It's in the morning. Actually, it's almost lunchtime, and I came up for the trailer because I've got to get some supplies. And I didn't see his machine right off the bat, but you can hear it. So he's come down here. He came down that way and not here. And so he's starting to clean up already. Let me see where to go here. So the mud came all the way down, crossed our land, and went down into the neighbors, which is that forest down there, and took out all the fencing and all that, of course. But here he is. I'm going to say hi to him, and then I got to run.
Okay, again, I have sped this up a little bit. I'm diving down into this hole between the trees on top of the work that he's been doing. And this is taken in the afternoon, and you can see he's done quite a bit already. He's up higher on the hill. And excuse all the jerkiness, that's amateur drone flying. But my drone is still in one piece. That's a victory. Okay, here let me just show you the fencing that the posts that we've started to set into place along the edge there of our new field. And I want to show you something interesting here. Remember that subterranean now spring? Okay, everything's covered up, but he has it coming out right there. And look at that, as dry as it is, and it is dry, dry, dry. Everything is bone dry, but there's water trickling down. And as we get normal weather, there should be a fair bit of water coming down there. There's the big main trench on the right. That should take all the water from the top of the mountain. Some neighbors had come, and I just barely see them. Oop, they were there. But okay, so this is a 14-minute video I took with my phone this evening at like 7 o'clock. It was getting dark already, and I sped it up so that you could see Jaime in action. He's habilitating this entrance, this lower entrance that we've never used, or haven't in 10 or 15 years. It just hasn't been usable, and now we're hoping to be able to use it maybe for parking. So check out what he does here. Okay, he's actually trying to get to the creek area where the water would just go everywhere, and he's going to trench it. That's the bottom of the main trench that we followed down earlier. It's just below the green gate. So he's cleaning up the path so that we can, well, so he can get down in there too, but I mean, he could barrel his way down there if he wanted. But he's cleaning it all up and making it doable for cars, which is neat. And sometimes he'll find a piece of wood or a 2x4 or something, and he'll, out of all that mess, he'll separate that 2x4 and set it off to the side, all with that bucket. So he's working his way down there. And he told me he wanted to take down a tree. Oh, there he is. That's one way to branch a tree. Let's see here. That's the tree he wants to take down. So he worked away at it for a while. It took him a while. Sometimes his whole machine would bend, would lean over. He would push and push, and he'd go back down and dig some more. And okay, kept pushing. That's a pretty big tree. but he's playing with it. And, yeah, he worked on it for about 10 minutes or so. Meanwhile, he gathers all his junk and pushes it up in front of him. There we go. The camera's lighting system is pretty good, but it's starting to get dark, so you don't have too much more time. So then I got the drone back out and decided to get it from a different angle, so you can see where that is. And I guess he'll continue tomorrow. I told you I was going to tell you about where the water goes. It goes along the rock wall, but he didn't do that today yet. I don't think he was able to get the supplies that he needed. Okay, well, I'll let it go at that. Look how easily he pushes everything out of the way. That's a huge log. Plus everything else is with it. Okay, well, here we go. Fly away.